Tired of tough, chewy beef stew? You're not alone. You cook it for hours. Add water, add spices, and still the beef fights back. Today, I'm showing you the Kenyan secret that turns even tough beef into soft, melt-in-your-mouth stew, without pressure cookers, without magic, and without cooking all day. Watch till the end to learn my secret. If you cook Kenyan food at home and want food that actually works, you're in the right place. Let's fix your beef stew once and for all. Most people think tough beef means wrong cut, not enough boiling, or not enough time. But the real problem is how we start the stew. This step right here, this is where many stews fail. Kenyan beef needs to release its own moisture fast. No water. No rushing. When you add water too early, the meat tightens, and that's where toughness begins. Soft beef starts before the stew even forms. Once the beef has browned and released its juices, now we build flavor. Let this cook until fragrant. Don't rush this stage, flavor lives here. Kenyan beef doesn't need many spices. Too many spices hide the beef. We want beef that tastes like beef. Now, and only now, we add water. Just enough to cover. Low heat. Covered. Patience. If oil hasn't separated, your beef isn't ready. This is where people get tempted to interfere. Don't. Let the beef soften slowly. This is not boiling, it's gentle cooking. Look at this. No pressure cooker. No shortcuts. Just the correct Kenyan method. Tough beef isn't about time, it's about sequence. Once you fix the beginning, the rest takes care of itself. If you cook Kenyan food at home and want it soft, flavorful, then stress-free, subscribe. I share real food from a real kitchen that actually works, remember. Time is an ingredient. See you in the next one.